Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to take a look at the Realme Buds Air 2. So we're going to open this up, see what do we get in this. We'll be testing it and then we'll be talking about who should be buying this and who is this made for. So let's open this up first. So this is what you get in the box. So you get the earphone itself, you get a user manual, you get a type C, yellow color type C charging cable, you get two extra sets of earbuds, the large, the small, and the medium one is already on the earphone. Let's take a look at the earphone. Now I've been using it for more than 2 weeks, so I've tested most of the functions. So this is how it looks like. It is glossy, but it does not get scratched that easily. Now when you open it up, now this is the black version. The white one has a silver stem. This is completely black, so I really like the black on this. Now when you take this out, it's not too difficult to remove. It slides out easily. So that's how it looks like. It has the exact shape of the earphone, so that when you close it and when you shake it, the earphone doesn't move inside. There are a lot of earphones that I've seen that this is completely empty and the earphone bounces inside. This one will not have that issue. So you have the charging pins inside over there, and it's quite easy to put it back in. So you just put it like that and it's done, and then remove it like this. So you have a charging LED over here, so it shows you when it is charging. When you put the earphone in, you'll see it is on and it shows that the charging has started, and it will go off, so it will not remain on every time. So you have the pairing button on the side, so you keep it pressed and you will get a white blinking light, so it's in pairing mode. Now you can pair it with any device. Now let's take a look at the earphone itself. Let's take them out. So you have the charging connector over here and the primary mic which will listen to you over here. Let me give you a close-up. Then you have the secondary mic here which listens to the background. Now this above the mic area, this is the touch sensitive area and the top. So these if you press here or tap here, then you can control the earphone. So you can actually forward track, rewind track, switch on voice assistant. All those features can be controlled by the app. So you have the Realme Link app which you can install on your phone on iOS or Android, and then control all the settings here. Let me just remove this. So this is entirely made of plastic, but it does not look like plastic. This actually looks like metal. Very good premium quality. You have the sensors here. So this one actually has the sensor in between which actually detects if you are wearing it or not. So if you remove it from your ear, it will automatically pause the music or pause the video or whatever you're watching. It will pause that. You have the bass ventilation here for the sound to escape. So premium built. Now one more thing is, this is an oval shaped earbud over here. So when you place this here, this actually fits the ear better and has less sound leakage, so that's good. And the mesh inside is completely metal plate which has cutouts in it, so it's not going to get damaged that easily. So that's the device. Now I was having a hard time getting a focus on this because it's so black, as in the black is actually very nice. I really like the quality of it, and it when you wear it, it actually looks premium too. So that's what you get in the box. Now let's see the app and then see how that works. Okay, so that's the Realme Link app. So it shows you the earphone percentage, earphone battery percentage, and the case battery percentage also. So that's something unique. With others, you don't get the case battery life. So these are the settings. So you get transparency mode, normal mode, and noise cancelling mode. So this is for noise cancelling. You can choose what all should change when you actually tap it. So I keep it at noise cancelling and transparency because normal is just off, so it doesn't really make any sense to me. You have sound effects. You have 3 sound effects: bass boost, dynamic, and bright. So this will have bass, this will focus on the mids, and this will focus on the treble part more. So then you have your volume enhancer. So this is something really good. This earphone is already loud, plus if you switch this option on, it will become even more louder. So this is one of the loudest earphones, truly wireless earphones that I've used. Then you have gaming mode. If you switch that on, the latency will be less. You have in-ear detection. You can switch on, switch off that option. You have auto answer. If you switch that on, or when you get a call, all you need to do is open this up, pick this up and then put it in your ears, and it'll automatically answer the call. So if you don't want that, keep it off. Now you have button settings, so you have double tap, triple tap, and touch and hold. So these three things can be changed. So you can keep separate ones for separate earbud. So left earbud is separate, right earbud is separate, and you have a combined option also, so you can set all of that. Okay, so let's talk about who should be buying this, who is this for. So this is a high definition earphone. So it focuses on a little bit on the bass, little bit on the vocals, and it does not allow the trebles to overpower. So everything sounds very nice. This one does get a lot loud, as in there's an option to make the earphone louder, so you will not have any problems with the sound, the loudness. The microphone also is good. You can use it in all the scenarios except for windy situation. So the secondary mic picks up a lot of wind, and the wind will be a little bit of an issue. So this one actually looks very premium if you compare it with other earphones in the same price bracket. This one looks the most premium. I just don't like the white one because it's got a steel and a plastic combination, which was weird. I don't know, I did not like it. Maybe if you like it, go for that, but I like the black one, which is complete black, and it looks classy. So it's an all-rounder. It's got all the features for 3,299. I really like this. But if you are a bass head and you want more bass out of it, and you want more battery life, then you have the other option, that is the Realme Buds Q2. So this one has more battery. Like this one gives you okay, let me just check that. So this one basically gives you 4 hours on the Realme Buds Air gives you 4 hours on ANC with the active noise cancellation on, and 5 hours without ANC. But at the same time, the Realme Buds Q2 gives you 5 hours with ANC and 7 hours without ANC. So this one gives you 2 hours more with the ANC on. So I kind of like this one sound signature better, but that's because I am a bass head. So if you're a bass head, maybe you can look at the Q2, which is 1,000 rupees cheaper. And if you want more of high definition sound and you want better mic sound quality, then you can look at the Realme Buds Air 2. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.